Are you ready to play a fun quiz? But first, don't forget to subscribe Claricals by Ayesha. Let's play and guess the sound. Fun animal noises all around. I made a I run real fast. With hooves so strong, I trod right past. Who am I? Great job! It's a horse. Ribbit, ribbit. I jump so high. I croak and leap. Give me a try. Guess me now. Ribbit, ribbit. Well done. It's a frog. Quack, quack, quack. I swim in a lake. Waddle and quack. What sound do I make? Who makes this sound? Excellent. It's a frog. Cluck, cluck, she got feathers, lays her eggs, bob around on tiny legs. Can you guess? Yes, it can. You guessed it right. I flap my wings. I love to squawk. I copy sounds when I talk. Who am I? Impressive. This is parrot. Hiss. I slither slow. No legs at all. Watch me go. Take a guess. Great job! It's a snake. Trumpet sound loud. It's big and red. A huge fan stomping across the land. Guess who am I? Good job! It's elephant. Ooh ooh I swing on these. I love bananas and climb with ease. Who am I? Great job and impressive. This is a monkey. Flying high with a loud cry. Who's that bird up in the sky? Who is this? This is eagle. Excellent. Good. I fly so high. I make honey and touch the sky. Who am I? You are awesome. It's me. Great job, Claricals. You guessed them right. Come again and play morning or night. Like, share, and subscribe to Claricals. Bye!